It all happened so fast that I'm still in kind of a daze. I was never there when either one of my sons was born.
Did you get to hold the baby?
No. There was all this activity with the placenta and then the paramedics taking them both to Benchley Memorial and a hack grabbing me. I didn't get a chance to.
Hey, you still haven't told us, was it a boy or a girl?
It's a girl. It's the most perfect little girl on God's green earth.
A new beginning, Vern. A second chance.
Yeah.
Who'd have thought? With all the death we've seen in Oz, there'd finally be life.